everyone, welcome to the Spring and Summer Bak Maha Arunodaya, where we will be cooking some really yummy Avurudu treats together with the Spring and Summer family. I'm Irasha and I'm joined with Auntie Shamaleen, Vileshka and Chami.
Hi.
So today we'll be making a Kiribath cake. We will be making it as a 2-tier cake and we'll be using lots of fresh flowers and herbs to decorate it. And now to just put it in. And we're going to be wash the rice, right? You and I. So we're going to put the rampe in. So and some cardamom pods as well. So if you can just help me open some of the... Yeah, just...
ලුණු දැම්මද පුතා?
නෑ. ලුණු දැම්මේ නෑ. ලුණු ටිකක් දාමු. Now while this is going, we can prep the flowers. Yes. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. We're going to keep the... I'm using a cake board to make it easy to flip.
I'm looking forward to this. There we go.
And we'll just move it to the center. Tap for good luck, tap for good luck. It's coming out.
Wow!
That is our Kiribath cake.
අපි හිතනවා අපි හදපු අවුරුදු කේක් එකට ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝම කැමති වෙයි කියලා. මේ පාර අලුත් අවුරුදු මේසෙදී පවුලේ අයත් සමග රස විඳින්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ සියලුම දෙනා මේ අවුරුදු කේක් එක හදලා බලන්න.